my god.
I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I have to reapply because this season, bro, people say they don't believe in global warming. Tell me why it's negative 5,000 degrees outside. Okay? Listen, I had to buy winter coats like we're going on the ski resort tomorrow. These kids out here wearing sweatshirts and shorts on the bike to school. No, and I got the sniffles a little bit. Stop it. Don't play with me. I'm not trying to get sick. You wanna know what I did? Let me show you what I did. Here we had a bug, like a stomach gastrointestinal something, like sweep through this house. It hit every one of us like ping pong, bing, bang, bong. I was out, AJ was out, Danny was out, Dad was out. We had family come in. Oh my gosh, it was a 15-hour drive for the kids' pawpaw to come through. And when I tell you, he was down too. Everybody was out. This is fire cider. Took a month to make, all right? Let me tell you what's in here. We got onions, different types of peppers. I think I put some habanero. I think there's a Scotch bonnet in here too. Whole cloves of garlic, the peppercorn, turmeric, ginger, lemons, oranges, rosemary, whole cinnamon stick, like jalapeno peppers. And then I put all of that in a big old container, right? And then I poured vinegar all over it. And then I let it steep for like a month in a dark, cool place. And then when that was done, I strained all the ingredients out, and then I added raw honey. Tablespoon every day. I don't care how it tastes. Open your mouth. You're going to drink this. Elderberry syrup, echinacea, zinc, no sniffles, no coughs, no colds, no sneezes. We all have PTSD. No sticky fingers. Wash your hands. Don't touch me. I'm dodging them germs. That will put some hair on your chest. Cause people are crazy. They send their kids to school sick as a dog. Oh, you don't feel good? Me neither, girl. We had COVID last week. Get away from me. Sorry I went on that tangent. Y'all, we gotta take good care of ourselves this winter season because it's going to be brutal. Look it up. It's gonna be a very, very cold winter. I have seen squirrels that are so fat. I ain't never seen butterball squirrels before in my life. These squirrels are prepping for the apocalypse and we need to pay attention. But anyway, like you saw in the intro, I will be doing a review of another banger from OMGHerHair, which is fastly becoming one of my favorite brands. So I went ahead and prepped and did the ball cap method. I used this Even Wonder Lace Balm, the adhesive. I haven't really used this yet, but it worked pretty quick. I mean, my goodness. So before I get into anything else, can we just talk about the wig? Y'all know what I talk about. This is a 150 density wavy girl, and she's 20 inches long. And here is what the hairline is given. They have already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled this bad boy. Here she is flipped inside out so you can see the construction of the cap. Oh, this wonderful parting space. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the crown, a no-slip adjustable elastic band that's removable, a nape comb with adjustable straps, and that is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on so you guys can see what it looks like if you decide to wear her like this, fresh out the box. And I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this before, but when I do my ball cap method, I leave the back completely open so that I can engage the nape comb. So I'm just pulling it down on the sides to make sure that the hairline doesn't fat cover my ball cap, because I've had instances where it didn't and it was visible through. Because you know these laces now, these laces are HD and transparent, okay? There's no secrets. There's no hiding anything. It will expose you. So this is the curl of the wig and how it came, and this is how long it is on me. And I'm going to brush it out for you so you can see that fullness. So y'all, TikTok shop got me. Maybe I should have bought the ones off of TikTok, but I didn't. So this is the unbrush that I've been hearing, like basically them bullying me into buying. Like every time I turned around, somebody was telling me to go get the brush. But anyway, everything fits really good. It's nice and snug. And I don't have any issues with my ear flap. That won't be anything for me to cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this and I'll be right back.
Oh my God. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm but two panty drop. Go left, go right, working up my appetite. No fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby, you just join my ride. Getting ready for the weekend, popping bubbles through the ceiling. Sure, I got dough, but don't need it, 'cause all I want is your healing. Your healing. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to pump this place up. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one.
It's gorgeous, but I'm gonna add some pretty curls in it. But I am gonna stand up and show you the back and show you how long it is on me. 20 inches.
I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start styling. I'm gonna put a bunch of curls all up and through this wig. I got my clips and I got my curling iron. We're gonna go in.
Dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
All right, I'm all done curling my hair. The curls are cool down. They're cool enough. So let's go ahead and take these out so I can see what they look like. I'm excited.
Oh yeah! I love you. Cameo.
No way. Baby, you wouldn't want me to put that in.
No, of course not.
Okay, the curls are all dry. Go dry. Shut up. The curls are cooled down, Michelle. The curls are all cooled down, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out my clips so we can fluff them out.
I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
The thing about these thermal rollers is because they have like this Velcro, it's so easy to get them tangled. So when they don't get tangled, I'm really excited. Also, I stole my gloss back. Let me tell you something. These kids, man, you got kids, you got girls, you better watch out. Because they will take everything. They just go shopping in your closet. So I have my rake comb and I'm going to gingerly comb out these curls. I don't want to do too much, but I already have a feeling it's going to be a little dramatic, so.
Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell him yes, tell him get lost. 'Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it.
Played around in it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and lock it in with some spray. Whew. Make sure you don't have anybody smoking next to you because you're going up in flames. You know, I don't really like the look of these pearls. They're cheap anyway. I got them from Marshall's. So that's it. That's the look. It looks amazing. What is this one here? It came out so pretty and so elegant. So it's like kind of the wavy texture that it was as it came, but with just a little bit more oomph. So thank you guys for sticking with me while I styled this wig. Big juicy curls. Everything about this wig, obviously, I will put in the description box below. If you guys have any questions for me about this hair, let me know in the comment section. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.